Three-dimensional hibiscus granny square crochet tutorial. Materials needed. Take the white yarn and start with a magic ring. For the first double crochet, chain 3 to replace it. And place a stitch marker on the third chain, then chain 1. For the rest of the stitches, work normal double crochets followed by chain 1. Repeat the pattern of 1 double crochet and 1 chain for a total of 8 groups. After finishing, tighten the ring. At the end of each round, slip stitch into the first stitch to join. This does not count as a stitch, so pull it tight. Round 2. For the first double crochet, chain 3 to replace it, then chain 2. This forms one pattern group. All double crochets are worked into the double crochet of the previous round. Repeat for a total of 8 groups. Round 3. For the first double crochet, chain 3 to replace it, then chain 3. This forms one side. The next double crochet is also worked into the double crochet of the previous round, followed by chain 5. This forms one corner. One side plus one corner make one group. Repeat for a total of 4 groups. Fasten off and weave the tail to the back of the work. Round 4. Take the pink yarn and make a slip knot. Pull up a loop from the chain space of the first round. Chain 2. Then work 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the same stitch to complete one petal. Slip stitch into the next chain space to start the second petal. Repeat the same method to complete 8 petals. Join with a slip stitch to the first petal. Then chain 2 to transition to the 2 chain space of the second round. Round 5. Work all stitches into the 2 chain spaces of the second round. Chain 2. Then work 5 double crochets into the same space. Chain 2. And slip stitch into the same space to complete one petal. Slip stitch into the next 2 chain spaces to start the second petal. Repeat the same method to complete 8 petals, then slip stitch into the first petal and fasten off. Round 6. Join into the 3 chain space of the third round. For the first double crochet, chain 3 to replace it, then work 2 more double crochets into the same space. After completing these 3 stitches, chain 1. For the corner in the next 5 chain space, work 3 double crochets, chain 3, then 3 more double crochets. Chain 1. One side plus one corner make one group. Repeat for a total of 4 groups. Round 7. Join the white yarn into the chain space of the previous round. Follow the same pattern as the previous round. For the sides, work 3 double crochets and chain 1. For the corners, work 3 double crochets, chain 3, then 3 double crochets. Repeat to complete the round, then fasten off. So if you like it, don't forget to share, and subscribe.